In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a channel to the conversations inbox in HubSpot. This is a crucial skill for managing customer communication effectively, and it's easier than you might think, so let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll need to open a web browser and head over to HubSpot's homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site. If you haven't already, this is the perfect time to bookmark the page for easy access later on. Next, locate and click on the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your login credentials and sign into your HubSpot account. After logging in, you'll land on your HubSpot home dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll access all of HubSpot's features. Our task now is to find the settings. Look towards the top navigation bar and click on Settings, which is often represented by a gear icon. This section allows you to customize your HubSpot experience and manage your account preferences. Once inside the settings menu, on the left hand side you'll find a variety of options. You're going to click on Inbox and Help Desk. This is where HubSpot helps consolidate your communications, allowing you to provide better support to your customers. After selecting that, keep an eye out for the Inboxes option and go ahead and click on it. It's your gateway to managing conversation streams across your teams. Now we're getting to the exciting part. It's time to connect a channel. Look for the option Connect a Channel and give that a click. This action will start the process of linking a communication channel to your HubSpot inbox. You'll be directed to the channel selection where you'll need to click on Chat. Setting up chat is key for instant communication and customer engagement on your website. With chat selected, you'll see a series of prompts guiding you through the setup. It's important to follow each step closely to ensure everything is configured correctly. Click Next through each of these prompts. This straightforward sequence will help you establish and customize your chat settings. Clicking Next repeatedly might sound repetitive, but it's essential for ensuring every component is properly aligned with your preferences. After you've clicked through all the next prompts, you'll reach the final step, the Verify Installation button. Click on it to confirm that your chat setup is integrated with your website correctly. This final action will ensure your channel is live and functional. And there you have it. You've successfully connected a channel to your conversations inbox in HubSpot. This setup will help streamline your communications and improve how you engage with your customers. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide made the process easy and clear. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy chatting!